Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Let's dive into making the beloved onigiri, a true symbol of Japanese comfort food often featured in your favorite anime. It's surprisingly easy to prepare and incredibly versatile, perfect for a quick snack or a packed lunch. We'll cover everything from the right rice to fun fillings, ensuring your onigiri tastes authentic and looks picture perfect. Get ready to bring a piece of your anime world into your kitchen. To start your onigiri journey, make sure you have short-grained Japanese rice, as its stickiness is key for shaping. You'll also need about 3 sheets of dried nori seaweed, a bowl of salted water for your hands, and your chosen filling. A simple tuna mayo mix or a tangy umeboshi plum are both fantastic, authentic options. Having all your components ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. First, rinse your rice several times until the water is clear, then cook it perfectly, which usually takes about 20 minutes in a rice cooker. While the rice is cooking, prepare your filling. For a delicious tuna mayo, simply drain your canned tuna and mix it with Japanese mayonnaise, adding a tiny splash of soy sauce for extra flavor. If you prefer umeboshi, just get your pickled plum ready to go. Now for the fun part, shaping. Dip your hands in salted water. This stops the rice from sticking and seasons it lightly. Grab about half a cup of warm rice, make an indentation, and add your chosen filling. Carefully close the rice around the filling, then gently press and mold it into your desired shape, like a classic triangle or a simple ball. Finally, wrap a strip of nori around the base for grip and flavor. Your anime onigiri is now ready to enjoy. These delightful rice balls are best served fresh and slightly warm, offering a comforting bite every time. Feel free to arrange them artfully on a plate, perhaps with a sprig of parsley, just like you'd see in the shows. Don't hesitate to get creative with different fillings next time. The possibilities are endless for customizing your perfect snack. Happy cooking and bon appetit!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.